My name is Bo. I'm a foreman at Diamond S, and this is the Case 580M. When I was a child, I used to come to work with my dad, and I used to sit right here on this fender. I used to watch my father dig services. I followed him, I learned from him, I also learned from my grandfather and my uncles and a whole bunch of operators that used to work here. Some of the best operators I've ever met worked here. Here at Diamond S, we use this tractor the most because we specialize in gas insulations. With these controls, every good operator should be able to fill. You can hear it, you feel it in your ears, the tractor makes a different noise, you feel it in your feet. That separates the operators from just the guys that are pulling the sticks. The guys who are part of the tractor actually are operators. This stick right here, that's your bucket, that's your dipper, that's your boom, that's your extender hoe. In order to dig, you take and curl the bucket, bring in the dipper, lift up on the boom a little bit, come up, swing over, dump your dirt, swing right back over, hit the hole, come back over and do it again. Just repetitious. And you'll be extremely quick, really good at it. What's unique about this tractor right here is you can push yourself forward without actually having to turn around and drive forward. All you need to do is you grab onto the boom and the dipper on the sticks, lift your front bucket up, grab onto the steering wheel, and then using your boom and your dipper, you push it out and you move the tractor forward. That saves so much time at the end of the day. Anything hard is worth learning. Everything when you're running the tractor and any piece of equipment, everything will click one day. And once that click happens, it's just so much fun. Especially if you get a couple tractors digging a subdivision and whatnot, and you're all competing who can dig, more than the other guy. Friendly competition is always fun. If you learn this, you will excel at all the rest of it. This tractor right here is one of the funnest tractors you'll ever learn to run.